Hi and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the glorious grip tape here that they've released recently and see if it's any good, see the thickness of it, see what you actually get in the packet and whether it's worth buying. So first off, let's see what you get inside the packet. At the moment they only come in black. You can buy them directly off Glorious's website. They say it's 0.5mm thick, which we'll check, M3 adhesive, perfectly cut to the design and textured, which we'll check what that looks like as well. Also gives you an idea of what the kind of layout you can get here if you want to use all of them on the Model O here. So straight off the bat here I can see you get no alcoholic cleaning wipe, which is a little bit annoying. It would have been nice to get one because you don't always have a clean mouse here. Sometimes you might be putting one of these onto a used mouse that you've been using for a while. Here's some of the texture a little bit closer. You do get quite a lot of grip tape here. It's a little bit more rubbery, a bit like the Hotline straight off the bat here, or the cheaper wireless. The stock weight, this one's weighing 69 grams, 0.5mm, just under here. Obviously you can add anything you want here, like some of the rear, which is a bit different. They've split into two here, maybe to help it fall better. We'll try that. One across the back, middle, two sides, and you get obviously a left and right mouse button. There's no spares here for each side, so once one of them wears out, you have to buy some new grip tape. Let's see how well they're cut. I'll do a separate video on drag clicking, see if any good, check that out. For now we're just going to do the grip tape here. I'll post a link in the description once I've done that. These are a little bit tricky to fit. Like, I thought the fit would be a little bit better on the sides, I've got to be honest. Given these are cut to fit, they're a little bit awkward to find the right location for them. You can see here, like, struggling to see each side pieces go. You have to look with a play around till you get them lined up. Good job they keep peeling on and off easy enough. Eventually you'll find that sweet spot like this. You can stretch them a little bit if you give them a little bit of a pull. This comes in at $9.99, about 15 UK pounds shipped to me. Sending up here with the rest of the grip tape here in price, they all seem to be around $10, $10 to $15. I don't think the split on the back here is going to cause too much problems in terms of the fit. It might stop it bubbling. I don't think you're going to feel it really on your hands here. You might find it starts to peel a little bit more where the split is. Looking up there, even with that split, you're still struggling to get it to lay flat here. Can still feel the holes through it as well a little bit there. Doesn't really bother me, but a little bit of pressure, you'll be able to feel the texture of the mouse through these because they are a little bit thin. Alright, not great, because now you can see I've got quite a bit to get rid of there. I don't know where it's going to go. Trying to keep the RGB, which is what we're trying to do. Almost like it's going to have to come over a bit. This is only if you want every skin on it. You have to tailor it a little bit to what you want. I don't think splitting the rear grip tape here has helped smooth the back out like it was expected to do. Because of the cut on the back here, got a cut down here and a cut here, it probably it is starting to not stick down properly there, and I expect over a bit of time that'll start lifting up. But your OCD trying to line up these two back ones. You could always use some additional sticky tape here if you need. Reapply these down, something like M3 double-sided would work. I expect them to have gone on a little bit easier given they're pre-cut. Like I've got to trim some on these to make them fit. This is the centre line here, and you can see it's already probably a mil over the left to try and get it to fit this right-hand side. These rear ones are going to cause you a problem, as you can see with me even just trying to get them to line up here. I am definitely struggling. It's right on the edge as well, where the joint is, the button. Can't go too far forward on that one. Now it's starting to lose their adhesiveness as well. When you expect it to be pre-cut, you'd think they're going to fit on a bit easier. So far I'm not overly impressed with these. Feel a bit like the Hotlines as well, so when they get a little bit oily they're going to be a bit slippy, I think. Would be my guess. Probably the better idea is to stick the rear on before the middle one. Get off my fingers, man. You're gonna have to do a lot of messing around to try and get this all to line up. If you want to put it all on there. Obviously the sides are a little bit easier. Not a bad fit. I'd like to see it a little bit higher up against the switches here. That's a bit of a shame. It's a bit low down. The adhesive isn't as good as some of them I've seen before either. This is definitely going to lose some stickiness over time, as you can see. I mean, we've taken them off quite a bit, but not as strong as some of them anyway. Like Lizard or the Razor grip tape's been better. True grip tape's been better. Hotline's grip tape, very similar, I would say. Pretty much say it's the same material as Hotline's, like different texture. Hotline's for the G Pro, that is, by the way. Slightly better fit on the rear there now. I don't like that. Because with it all sliced up, you don't have any additional ridges in it, so it'll be pretty flush with the other edge, and you don't want it to go over the buttons. There we have it. Not the best job, but not bad. You can certainly see some imperfections in it. Would have been nicer for the size to fit a bit better, a bit smugger. You can kind of get the rear covered. There's a few little slight gaps you can see with mine, but you won't notice that when your hands on it. It's only going to be for looks. Still starting even just to pick up here on the edges, you can see. Still having problems trying to get it to lie flat. I'm not convinced about the longevity. Left and right mouse buttons are good there, and the sides are good. It's more the rear I'm having problems with here, which I think is where the problems are. The left and right are good. This is the trouble area, especially trying to line it all up. It's not easy. I'll do another drag click test on this one, different video, but that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Catch you later. Bye bye.